all in. So as I mentioned, this is a large studio king, so king size bed. Just to be clear, this room is dressed for display purposes, so the residents do not receive all of the extra items in here, but the desk, the chairs, the bed, the cooktop, fridge, microwaves will all be in the room here. We're only at one stop on the train from Redfern into Central Station, so very convenient. Barbecue area, we do have a barbecue pack that our residents can borrow from the reception area. They can provide their own utensils if they wish. No sector. This is our cinema room. So the system is integrated into the wall just behind you. We've got Netflix, Disney Plus, SBS On Demand, and Optus Sport as well. So again, yeah, nice space, soundproof, nice and cool, calm. Actually, guys, just a nice place to relax as well, right? But now we're just moving past our gym area. So open 24 hours a day. Great that this gets a lot of use. As you can see, there's no one in there at the minute, but it is still early. Games there. And here we are in our in-house laundry area. So we've got washers and dryers in here. One of the early additional costs that have the Jam Studio. The Jam Studio, electric drum kit, piano, and mixing desk, electric guitars, acoustic guitars. We are lucky enough to have some very talented musicians here at Scape Redfern, so often find people using the piano,